Do you think hearing loss only happens to older adults? Well, you are wrong. Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Maria Morrison, audiologist, and I'm your expert in hearing healthcare. I'm here to tell you there is a staggering amount of Americans under the age of 50 with a hearing loss. I myself work with those 3 years and above. I don't see the babies, but it can happen at any age. So if you are noticing difficulties, if you're having to say what, lean in, turn the volume up on the TV, please go get your hearing evaluated. You can go to hearingup.com or hearingloss.com to find a provider in your area. All right, friends, have a great day. Bye-bye.